Welcome to Data Pro. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to create a jar file using Eclipse IDE and how to add a jar file to our project in the Eclipse IDE. Let's jump into the Eclipse IDE. Let us create a new project, new Java project, file, new Java project. Then choose a name. I say my library 1. Say next, finish. Then let's add a class. You know that by default the source recursive node remains empty. Now let us add a Java file. New class. Let's name the class as student and give the package name as Data Pro. And we don't want main function because we are going to use this library or class in another program which contains the main function. So don't select the main function checkbox. Say finish. Now Data Pro is our package name and student is a class in the Data Pro package. Let's add some fields. Say ID number, name, course, fee. Let's add the constructor. So right click, go to source, say generate constructor using fields, select all, then choose the insertion point, make sure that it is after the last field. So all these things I have explained in the previous video. If you are new to getting the setter getter methods, getting the constructor, full organic constructor, please refer to the previous video. Say OK. We got the constructor. Then generate setter getter methods. Here right click, say source, then now say generate getters and setters. Say select all, choose the insertion point after the constructor. That's OK for us. Then say OK. So notice that all setter getter methods got generated. So that is enough for us. Now we have to create it as a jar file. So how do you do it? Right click on the project node, my library 1, say export. Then you will be shown these options, expand Java, then choose jar file. Say next. Then it asks for the destination, the name of the jar file. You can choose any destination of your choice by clicking on the browse button. Then you can give any name. I choose the destination as D drive, my jar files, and name it as, say, my jar 1. Say next. You can directly say finish. So my jar 1 is the name of the jar file, and Data Pro is the package inside the jar file, and the student is the class name inside the package. Assume that this is created by one programmer. And it would be used by some other programmer. So let me create a new project. Assume that this step is being done by another programmer. Say Java project, project name, say use library 1. I name it as use library 1. So Java project, use library 1. Say next, or immediately you can click on finish. Now we are going to use the jar file created by another programmer. So let's create the main function file first. So new Java. So this is the new project. You can say sample 1. You can say package name as say pack1. You need main function. Just choose that option. Say finish. Now you want to use the student class, the data pro package. So you start typing, say string tokenizer. If you press control and space, it stands imported. You know that. Similarly, you type student and say control space. We don't get student class. We are getting some other class. Okay. Right. We want student class to be imported. But there is no link between this project and the project where we have the student class. So we have to add that jar file into our project. How do we do that? So right click on the project node, say build path. Say build path. From there, so say add external archives. Then choose the jar file from the location where you have pasted the jar file given by some other programmer. See, now you got the jar file. You can expand it to know the package names. You can further expand it to know the class names. So now just type student. Now see, you can choose from the data pro package. Just say yes, you can create an object. This you already know. Okay, so it proves that you are able to use the student class in data pro package available in another jar file. I hope this video is very useful to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.